Good morning, everybody. On today's video, we are going to take a look at the park. It has been 13 days since we put the fertilizer down. It's been 6 days since the first mow, so we're going to give it just another quick mow. We're going to look at some of the spots, especially some of the dead areas over here, and then we'll wrap it up. So stick around, here we go. All right. We're taking a quick look at the lawn. Day 13. And it's looking pretty good. Now we do have some spots like this one over here, still has quite a bit of damage in there, and I'll go over that in a second. But one of the worst areas that we had was kind of this particular area all through here, and it is bouncing back. It is coming back pretty quick. I'm pretty impressed and pretty happy so far with it. Just a reminder, we scalped it all the way down. We ran through with a dethatcher rake, cleaned out 5 different piles of garbage out of here, fertilized with the 1824-8, and then waited. It was 8 days for the first mow, and so we're going to give it a quick second mow here, but it's looking really good. Some of these areas, like this one over here, still has got quite a bit of matting in here, and this could really end up using some extra love. It's still got quite a bit of stuff. If I kind of come in here and just lightly rake on this, I'm still pulling out a lot of debris. But one of the things I really want you guys to look again and see is the new plants. The crowns of the plants are coming in, so we're getting new growth out of all of this. And so over the next couple weeks, that's really what we're going to be looking for. We're going to be looking for extra new growth in any of the areas like this. That'll start to fill out, and really through the end of the year, we'll really see this area get a whole heck of a lot better. You can take a look at the rest of the park. I don't need to tell you what's going on out there. You can see for yourself. But this is looking good. So today is supposed to be 101 degrees. So I'm going to get in a quick mow out here just to do that. And then we're going to call it for today. So stick around. Here we go. Well, there you go. That's a wrap on that one. So again, I'm mowing roughly at about 2 inches normally. This one I took down just a little lower. So what I'm doing is I'm encouraging each one of the plants to start leafing out new blades. So normally in grass, a lot of them will tend to start off with a single blade coming out of the stalk. Let's see if I can kind of zoom in here. So like normally one of these will start off with a single blade, and then as they keep getting cut, they'll start to splint off new leaf blades coming out of there. So what I'm trying to do is encourage that and get that to keep happening through here, so that it'll encourage it to keep spreading, encouraging it to spread out and look better. So I'm Mike, the Colorado Lawn Guy. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you all soon.